A great way to reduce your capital gains tax is to give a charitable gift of cryptocurrency. Let me tell you how it works. Let's say you bought an asset at $1,000 and the price has now gone up to $10,000. And you could sell that. That's a $9,000 gain, and you're subject to tax on that $9,000. Let's say that tax, for conversation's sake, let's say it's $3,000, leaving you with $6,000. Now, if you gave that to the charity, you basically liquidated a $10,000 asset to give away $6,000. A different approach would be to gift the cryptocurrency directly to the charity. You'll have to talk to the charity and find out what their wallet address is and get them to send you a letter confirming that you gifted it to them. But instead of selling that asset at $10,000, you're gifting it to them. You get to claim a $10,000 write-off as charitable gift on your income taxes, so you don't have to pay any capital gains tax on that whole thing. You actually get a reduction. The charity can then sell the asset, but since they're a charity, they're not paying capital gains tax, so it's okay with them as long as they're comfortable with receiving a cryptocurrency. This is a great way, if you're intending already to give to charity, this is a great way to do it. It is not the same thing as gifting to a friend. It's totally different. And now a friend could be any person that's not your spouse or child. When you gift to a friend, here's what's happening. Let's say you bought cryptocurrency at $1,000 and it's now worth $10,000 and you want to give it to your friend. When you give it to them, there's no tax on the income that you give to them. That's cool. So there's no tax on you for the giving, no tax on them for the gifting. Now, if you gift in excess of the individual annual limits that are out there, which I think this year is $19,000, then you as the giver may be subject to a gift tax return. A gift tax return generally involves no tax unless you exceed the lifetime limits, which currently are about 14 million. Here's the key wrinkle. When you gift those cryptocurrencies to a friend, you're also gifting the cost basis. What does that mean? That means when you give it to him, he actually takes possession of the asset at the cost basis that you have. So the friend now has this asset with a cost basis of $1,000, but let's say he sells it tomorrow for $12,000. He's going to experience an $11,000 gain, and he's going to have to pay taxes on $11,000, which is, more than maybe he was expecting. So just be careful about that when we gift cryptos to other people. The cost basis goes as well, and you have to be very sensitive about that person's going to have a much higher tax bill than they were originally planning. If this video is interesting to you, please subscribe, like, and follow.